Make sure the Batman boxes are secure on that cart.
Already done. Heading to section 3 now.
All right, this tray is set.
Good, let's move these to the next station.
All right, bring it back easy. Watch your clearance on the left. A little more. Okay, hold it there. Set the brake.
Watch your left side, plenty of clearance.
Got it, heading to staging bay 4.
Watch your clearance on the left there. Easy now. Copy that. Bringing it down slowly.
Here we see the precise moment the specialized plastic blend reaches melting temperature.
In the quality control area, skilled hands ensure every Batman figure meets the highest standards before leaving the factory.
Okay, hold it there. Lower it down now. You're good. Okay, hold it there. Lower it down now. You're good.
We focused on the rich textures, from the cape to the utility belt. The advanced articulation system ensures dynamic.
이 배트맨 피규어의 관절은 보시는 바와 같이 훈력합니다. 갑옷에는 고급 무광 검정 소재를 사용했습니다.
Wow, this is the one I wanted.
Looks like Batman found his Robin. Let's get it.
Dad, look, it's the new Batman figure.
Wow, that is pretty cool.
All right, let's put it in the cart. Look, he's flying over the building. Wow, that was awesome. Now send him to the alley. He's almost across the ramp. Watch out. Mine is faster. Up, up, and away. Nailed the landing. Look, he's going fast. Whoosh. Pow! Superhero landing! I got you!